IFSKATECO gon' fuck it up. What's the first try? What you got?
Right here.
$10, G. Call it out.
Just flip off of the little stair right here, I guess.
Alright, let me pull up. Regular is goofy, I forgot. Alright, I got you, hold up. God damn it. Steven's about to break the bank account here again. About to make me go broke, G. $10. I got your dad right now. I'll send it to him. What's up, G? Hey, he needs, you have like Cash App or anything? Like Venmo or anything?
Who?
You.
Yeah, why? What?
He's got another $10.
What do you do?
He's like, first try trick, what do you got? And I just didn't know what to say.
I told him he had to call it out though, and he said I'm gonna do this heel flip, and I'm like, God damn
he got you.
it, dude. What hardware are you using?
I'm Michael.
Bolts and holes. This is this dude right here. Oh, he said you can't knock that. He said you can't ollie that drop right there.
Is he testing me? Should I go do it?
What are you gonna do?
Which one?
The drop. Yeah, just run it.
Let's get it then.
Steven, don't play them, bro.
Alright, you better at least try with me. Come on.
I'm gonna leave it.
Homie, don't let them out.
They're gonna run it. His dad told him to do it. Hey, I'm gonna tap in though. Steven's dad called him out on this. Said he better do it or he doesn't get $10. It's all for the fun though. There's no demands here. He doesn't have to do it. Who's going first? Run it.
Hey, right here.
Switch.
Gotta go up, drop off.
Run it.
Get it.
Hey, you gotta do that now. Fucking guy.
Get it?
Yeah, he got it. Alright, that's how you do it, man.
That's just easy for him, dog. You better.
What's your Cash App though? I'm gonna get you guys right now.
I'm gonna get a bag of chips. What the?
You know when he says that.
I feel like Suzanne.
That drop. You've done bigger drops than that.
See if Eric's trying to get paid. Trying to get paid, boy?
I'm down.
First try, backside 360, $10.
Fuck, I'm down. Just get it.
Run it, one try. Run it.